Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to set up your homepage in WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already, and after doing so, in the upper right corner you want to get started with logging into your account. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in successfully and opening up your web page and your WordPress website, it's going to look like this in the home page. Where at the left side screen you can get started with accessing all the sections at the left side screen, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started setting up our home page. Basically guys, what we want to do is right here at the left side screen, you want to go to the settings option. Clicking the settings option is going to open up this new drop down menu where you can see multiple options, and we want to open up reading. So click on reading guys, and once you have opened up reading, you can see that this will now go ahead and open up our reading settings where you can take a look at setting our home page. So you can select what your home page displays, you can select what page you want, let's say home, and the default post page you can select as well. So once you're satisfied guys, just click save, and once you have clicked save, you have successfully changed your home page and what it displays, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.